Jaiminia Ashya Brahmana, unveiling the esoteric wisdom and sacred insights of the Samveda. The Jaiminia Ashya Brahmana, an intriguing segment of the Samveda, offers profound insights into the depths of rituals and spiritual significance. This article delves into the essence of the Jaiminia Ashya Brahmana, exploring its composition, ritualistic importance, allegorical interpretations, and its enduring relevance in guiding seekers towards a deeper understanding of the spiritual dimensions of existence. Brief overview. Enveloped within the verses of the Samveda, the Jaiminia Ashya Brahmana beckons seekers to explore the enigmatic blend of rituals and spiritual wisdom. This collection of texts transcends the superficial aspects of rituals, inviting individuals to delve into the hidden layers of meaning and the profound connections between human actions and the cosmic order. Composition and structure. The Jaiminia Ashya Brahmana is meticulously organized into chapters that delve into rituals, their inner meanings, and their connection to the larger cosmos. Named after the sage Jaimini, this Brahmana offers insights into the esoteric and transformative aspects of rituals. Ritualistic significance. At its core, the Jaiminia Ashya Brahmana serves as a guide to understanding the rituals practiced during the Vedic era. It meticulously describes the procedures, mantras, and symbolic actions of these rituals. These rituals are not mere mechanical activities, and they serve as gateways to connect with divine forces and align individuals with the cosmic rhythm. Symbolism and allegorical interpretations. The Jaiminia Ashya Brahmana delves beyond the surface layer of rituals, revealing the symbolic depths they hold. Rituals are regarded as mirrors reflecting cosmic principles, and symbolic actions are decoded to unveil hidden spiritual truths. This allegorical approach transforms rituals into profound avenues for self-realization, spiritual insights, and philosophical contemplations. Interwoven with rituals and symbolism are philosophical reflections that expand the understanding of the spiritual realm. The Brahmana contemplates the nature of existence, the interconnectedness of all life forms, and the path to self-discovery. These contemplations provide seekers with insights into the fundamental nature of reality. Harmony with the cosmos. The Jaiminia Ashya Brahmana emphasizes the theme of harmony between the individual and the cosmos. By engaging in rituals with a deeper understanding of their symbolic significance, individuals align themselves with the cosmic rhythms, fostering a sense of unity with the universe. Enduring relevance. In the modern context, the teachings of the Jaiminia Ashya Brahmana continue to be relevant and meaningful. Its emphasis on the integration of rituals, symbolism, and philosophical contemplation offers a holistic approach to spiritual exploration. It encourages individuals to bridge the gap between the ordinary and the transcendent, nurturing a profound connection to both the ritualistic practices and the profound metaphysical dimensions. Conclusion. The Jaiminia Ashya Brahmana stands as a testament to the profound integration of rituals and spiritual insights within the Samveda. By immersing ourselves in its verses, rituals, and contemplative practices, we embark on a transformative journey. The Brahmana invites us to uncover the layers of meaning within rituals, bridging the divide between the external and the internal, and ultimately guiding us towards a harmonious existence resonating with the cosmic symphony of the universe.